Hey guys, this is my trade recap today. I traded three stocks. First one is ABIL, um, and I made zero point 0.7 on it. VTVT, it was a range extension play, um, and I made zero point 0.5. And Watt is a continuation play. I lost 0.34 on there. So uh, first trade is ABIL. Um, so this is the daily, uh, and it gapped up, and then it tanked. And these are my entries. So basically, this is the pre-market high. It went up to that's 280 or 270. Yeah, it's 270. Went up to 280 and came back down to the VWAP. And then it was testing the VWAP, but at the same time, every time it tried um, to bounce, it couldn't bounce. It got sold off. So complete opposite of Watt the other day, where um, it it went to VWAP, and then every time it tried to tank, it was getting bought up. So this is the complete opposite. So I loaded up, um, and then I covered into the washes. We added here, and then covered into the wash, and I fully intended to go full size here again because this is just the first leg, second leg. I knew there was a second leg coming, but I got distracted by Watts, so I didn't continue with this trade, and I missed a big move over here. So I was really annoyed, and I was more annoyed because this is Watt. Um, so what it did the other day was it went up big and then faded at the end of the day, and so today we're looking for a continuation of that fade. And it opened under 7. My plan was to short at 7, um, and so what happened was um, it opened and it spiked and it came down, so I thought, oh, I missed the spike. And so when it kind of spiked to VWAP over here, which is I think 670 or no 690. I added I think this was 2 tiers, and when it when it broke this high, I had to cut it. And then it spiked up over here and then came back down, so I thought I'll put it back because it looks like it's rejecting, but um, it it got bought up every time it tried to tank under the red green line. So I cut it here. I lost a bit on it. I already lost here, and then I lost more over here. And so I was running out of R on this thing. So I said, okay, I'll wait and see what it does. But then it tanked, and because I was so close to risk already, I said I'll wait for hopefully another pop, and then I could just risk this 10 cents. It never happened. It just came down and then came down a lot, and I missed like $1 move over here, so I was super annoyed because I missed the other one, ABIL, and then now I missed this one. So I'm green, but could have been a really big green if I had just um, you know taken the risk here. Every time I get close to running out of R, I tend to not push it. Anyway, so last trade is VTVT, It was a range extension, and I was looking for a late day fade. This is the daily on it, and resistance was at 4. Resistance there, and never quite got there. Also, I was looking for a late day fade on this one, so the 1 p.m. fade. But as you can see, it already faded before 1 p.m., so I didn't want to put on a position here in case they tried to get it back up. As you can see, it was holding the VWAP pretty good. I think this is the 60s. Yeah, 260. That was held here, here. Uh, so I was pretty sure they were going to take it up. Sure enough, this one it came up here and went to 3, but then it got stuffed. And then on a second attempt at 3 on Bookmap, there was like huge sellers over here, so I said, I'll just put on, I think this is a couple of tiers, and then this was a very tight stop, because there was somebody big over here, and if they went through him, I'll stop out if they eat up all his shares. Luckily, they weren't able to eat up all the shares, so they got stuffed. The buyers got stuffed, and then it tanked really quick. And then it tanked some more over here. And I was waiting for a retest to add, and here I was retesting, but it went, well, it retested more than I thought it would. But anyway, I added, and then, but on the bounce up here, I cut it. And then here, I saw there were some really big sellers over here, and then they kept stepping down. I mean, this was almost all red over here on Bookmap, and I knew it was going to reversal to the downside, so I just added 1 tier, and then I think this was 80s, and then I covered down the 40s, so got like 40 cents out of that. So those are my trades today. I probably won't trade on Monday, so this will be the end of my month right here. Anyway, that'll be it.